All right, so today's lesson, we are doing, it's a little blurry. Today's lesson, we are doing, there we go. We are doing our guided, we're not 406, we already did that one. Oh, we didn't? Oh, then I am a lesson ahead. I snipped the wrong pages. Whoop. I did what we're going to do tomorrow. Yeah. All right. So I need to snip that. I can get rid of that one. And all right. So, are you okay? All right. So we are on page 406. So draw all of the lines of symmetry for these shapes. All right, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be drawing lines of symmetry. Okay, so if we look at the picture it with the oval, it has two lines of symmetry. It goes across the middle and up and down in the middle. Those are the only lines of symmetry that there is for the oval. Okay, a circle, remember, infinite number. But for an oval, it only has those two lines. If it had another line that was kind of slanted, when you folded on the line, it would not meet. It would not match up. All right. Now we have the cross. Okay, the plus sign, whatever you want to call it. Look at the plus sign. The line's everywhere. It could be folded for parts. All right. They go straight up and down. They go straight across in the middle. Okay, just like the oval. But you also can do it slanted. Going both those. If you fold it there, they will match up. All right. If we look at the next page. Go ahead and cut out. It says trace and do that. Go ahead, take out scissors and cut out the oval and the plus sign. Go ahead and cut out the oval and the plus sign. Oval and the plus sign. Then fold them on those two lines of symmetry that are shown to you. And fold them on those two lines that are shown to you. Yes. Do you need scissors, Chloe? Catch. I would never throw scissors, and neither should you. That'd be very dangerous. Yes, and you know it's dangerous to throw scissors. That's like number one rule that you were taught in kindergarten. Do not run with scissors, do not throw scissors, hold that and be quiet. That and don't bother your teacher. I walk into the kindergarten room, it's quiet, music on there, half time. Mrs. Sherman. Some teachers have, some people don't. Some teachers would have that type, other teachers would not.
My teacher probably like
I don't. It's not even nap time, it's just rest time.
yeah.
It's like, I don't think very few people actually fall asleep. I think it's just time to relax.
Yeah, that's what my mother does. Don't think about that.
All right, now. Okay, you should be done. After you finish, go ahead, fold them over best you can. I know it's small. Best you can. Fold them over on those lines of symmetry that were shown on the previous page. What? Breathe on. Very nice. So what do you notice about the lines where they cross? That's your question for number 8. What do you notice about the lines when they cross? You can look at the previous page for that. What do you notice about it? Miss Bentley, what do you notice about the lines where they cross? What's that? They form something? What do they form? What to help Ben out? Nobody? Finley doesn't have any friends? She's drowning in the middle of the ocean. You don't even want to throw her life raft?
I have.
Okay, good. Jocelyn, what do you think?
Lines of symmetry create a plus sign on the oval.
Okay. On the oval, they do create a plus sign. How about the cross? What do you notice about that? Or on the plus sign, I should say. The oval, they make a plus sign. They make a T. How about the other one? Yes, Gavin.
They make you notice they make kind of like an asterisk.
Okay, kind of like an asterisk. Question, where do they meet? Where do they meet in relationship to the shape, Sam? In the middle. Smack dab in the middle. Okay? Number 9 is trace the plus sign to show all the lines of symmetry. Where do the lines cross? Same thing. We just talked about they cross in the middle. Did your mouse break again? put it back together if you need. But yeah, same thing as with the oval. They meet in the middle, and this time they kind of made like an asterisk. Okay, where they met, where they crossed, was smack dab in the center of the shape of the cross, of the T, whatever you want to call it, the plus sign. So how many lines of symmetry does the oval have? Cohen? 2. Yes, 2. The oval has 2. How about the plus sign? Eeny, meeny, miny, lily. 4. Plus sign has 4. Now go ahead and read number 12. Explain how you can decide when you have found all the lines of symmetry in a figure. How do you know when you found them all? Is it just take a moment to think about it? There's no right or wrong answer. How do you know when you have found them all? Because on your test that you'll take, not today, it's going to say how many lines of symmetry does that whatever. Hey, Trayvon, what did you write down? Hey, let's finish. And you just try multiple ways. All right. I'll throw something down that they would like to share. Even if you don't want to share it, you would like to share it. Brother?
You try every possible line of symmetry and only the folds that were equal are symmetric lines.
Okay. Bryson?
When the lines go over the other line and you try to fold it on.
Okay. Most of them like share what they wrote. Mallory? Oh, I didn't have my hand. I must have my hair. No, I'm well aware of this, Mallory. Go ahead and go. I don't want to. I don't care. I told you. of the examples that we talked about? What was similar? What did they all do? They all did something. They all went through something. What did they all go through? Mass plus Cohen thinks he knows it, but I won't call it Mass plus Cohen. Cohen, what do you think? The middle has to pass through the center point. Yes, has to pass through the center point on a straight line. And when they fold up, they need to match, but it needs to go through the center point. There will never be a line of symmetry that does not pass through the center point of the shape. Okay? If there are more than one line that divides two parts that on top of each other, then there are more than one line of symmetry. That's how you know. Okay, just keep trying. Figure it out. All right? Go ahead and try it. Bottom of the page. Try it. Bottom of the page. How many lines of symmetry are there? Dun, dun, dun. All right. Now, lines of symmetry. Well, I know. Uh-oh, what did I do? Oh, it canceled everything out. Awesome. Not cool. All right. Well, I was going to try to use a ruler, but I'm not going to try that now because whatever happened. So, I need to go through the center point. I'm going to go here. This first one I see is going to be there. That's it. That would be a line of symmetry. Okay? I fold it over, it will match. So here's roughly my center point. Okay. There's another one. And I'm going to turn it this way. Oh! I can turn it here. Go through there. Oh! I'm going to turn it this way. Go through here. That is all of my lines of symmetry. or like here. Yeah, that would, and then yes, this one here. And when you turn them, you're like, oh, kind of snaps out. Okay. So it has, starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines of symmetry. Because this is the same line as that. Okay, and then they all connect to other ones. Okay, so a total of 6 sides of symmetry. 6 lines, I should say, not sides. This is a hexagon with 6 sides, though. Okay. Any questions about today? It was kind of a quick lesson. Any questions about today's lesson? Okay, what I'd like for you to do, take out your math practice and problem solving book. Give me 423, 424. 423, 424. For the distant people, I'd like for you to do it. Take a picture of it, send it to me. Okay. 423, 424. So any questions, people at home? Any questions before we head out? Okay, we will meet again at 11:15, okay? If you have questions, while you're doing your work, go ahead and don't forget, you may email me, okay? I'll see you guys at 11:15. Bye.